The ENTrigue septal stapler enables quick and consistent approximation of mucosal flaps during septoplasty. To activate the stapler, remove the safety tab in a fluid motion. Each disposable stapler is preloaded with 8 resorbable implants. Entering the nasal cavity, position the stapler to the desired location. Gradually squeeze the trigger until an audible click is heard. Then fully release the trigger until a second click is heard. The first click verifies an implant has deployed, while the second indicates the stapler arms have separated and disengaged from the implant. Deployment posterior to anterior prevents bumping or dislodging engaged implants. Visually verify implants are engaged and mucosal flaps approximated. If needed, reverse the stapler head and use additional implants. This may only be necessary where thick cartilage or mucosal flaps are present. The ENTrigue septal stapler enables quick and consistent approximation of mucosal flaps during septoplasty.